Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my kitchen. Today I have this NEIKO. It is a right angle little ratcheting screwdriver bit, and I got it because I was trying to get into a small space on an ice maker, and I was unable to do it with a regular screwdriver. I can't go up from the top, and I actually have one that connects like onto my drill, but it's still too big, so I needed one that's nice and small, so I picked this one up here, and I have not used it yet, but I will be using it soon. So let's open it up and see how it looks. Looks like it's got a staple keeping it in here, so. Yeah. Okay, there we go, got it open. And here's what the card looks like. I guess if you need that, you can pause it and zoom in. Not much information, and there's no instructions or anything. This is everything that it comes with. So it comes with the ratcheting little driver here. So that was in reverse mode, I guess. And then this is in tighten mode. So right now we've got a big old honking Phillips head screw bit in here. And it looks like it just comes out to switch it. And these are the different options you get here. So you can see we've got, does it have labels on it? Nope. So we've got a little thinner Phillips head, a little bit bigger, small flat head, big flat head, and a couple of different star bits on there. So let's just put in a different one here. And it looks like they just fit in. So it only fits in one way. Like you see, if I try to push it in this side, it's not gonna go. It only goes this side. And then it goes in, it holds it in. I guess, I don't think it's magnet. Maybe it is. Or maybe it's just with tension, but it does hold it in there without coming out until you bang it. So, pretty good. So this will totally fit. I'll be able to go in there like at an angle, and that's tightening it. And then I just flip the little lever, and there I can loosen it. So pretty cool. Very nice, convenient, super simple concept tool there. And thumbs up from me, I like it. If you need a link to it, the link's in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And a nice little convenient thing there. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.